Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today, this is going to be a quick video showcasing 3 colors of the wig Lisa by Envy. Okay, since today is all about just showing you 3 different colors of this wig, it's not going to be a full review. I will link in the description my full review of Lisa, and I also did a video showing you what she looked like after I washed her. This is after washing her. This is my own Lisa. I wear her all the time. I love her. She is one of my favorite wigs, and she's my husband's favorite wig. So anyway, what I'm going to be doing today is showing you 3 different colors of this wig. Lisa is an Envy hair piece, which means she's a blend of human hair and heat-friendly synthetic fibers. So it gives you the benefits of both of those things. You get the beautiful look and feel of human hair, and you can style it with heat. And also, when you wash her, she'll come back to her style. Now, if you style her with heat, that will be the last style. So if you wash her, she'll come back to the last heat-styled version of herself. I just love her. I didn't restyle her. I love the way she came. And this is in the color Golden Nutmeg. And we're going to go through each of the colors. I'm going to show you inside and outside what the colors look like so you get to compare them. Before we move on to that, I'll just quickly show you the cap so that you can see it's a beautiful extended lace cap, goes all the way down to the ear tabs there. You have this silicone which makes it fit to your head really comfortably. You have the mono top and the open wefting here, which gives you some nice stretch, and it's nice and ventilated so it doesn't get too hot. And then you have your extended nape here with your Velcro adjusters. All right, now let's get into the colors. Now this one is in the color Golden Nutmeg. My original review, I believe I did in the lighter red, which I'm going to show you here also. And then I have Sparkling Champagne with me. So let me spin. You get to see the style and this color, Golden Nutmeg. Oh, and let me tell you how they describe Golden Nutmeg. That would be helpful. All right, Golden Nutmeg is a warm, rooted, and highlighted color. It's a 3-tone blend of a cinnamon brown base, chocolate, brown roots, and golden blonde highlights. So hopefully you can see all of that there. It's definitely a warm color. It's so beautiful. All right, now let me spin and show it to you. Isn't this a great style? I just love it. So natural, so easy. And you can do so much with her. You can pull her back just a little bit. You can put her in a little ponytail with the front hanging down. So much. Okay, so this is Golden Nutmeg. What a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Love this wig. Okay, and then I'll take you around the head here. This is Sparkling Champagne. She's a rooted, neutral, light blonde. Look there, and you can see that she has some cooler tones and some warmer tones. That's why we're calling it neutral. Oh, how great is this style and this color? All right, I'm gonna spin for you. Sparkling Champagne. You guys are gonna have to let me know which is your favorite. Okay, so here's Sparkling Champagne. I think the reason this color took me by surprise is normally when I hear champagne, I think of a much cooler, lighter color. And this is definitely more neutral. It has some warm tones in there. I really like it. All right, let me take you around. And finally, here's Lisa in lighter red. This is actually the first color I bought in Lisa. I decided not to keep her because I felt she was a little bit too bright for me. She's a very warm color, a brighter red, which I'm sure looks great on certain people. I just felt that the golden nutmeg was better for my complexion, so I ended up getting that one. In any case, this is a coppery red. Look at that. It's a warm color. Beautifully highlighted there. You can see that. All right, let me spin for you and show you the color. So pretty. I just love the feel of these fibers. Okay, so here's the lighter red color outside. I'm really going to disappear with the color of the house with this color. Can you see me? Okay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you thought of Lisa, of the different colors, and if you've ever worn Lisa, let me know your experience with her. Put all that in the comments below. It's great to share with the rest of the community. I'll have Lisa linked in the description below, and you can head on over to frannieshair.com to check her out. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.